Hello, what's up? It's Amanda from Cookies Diamond Painting, and it is the 11th. It's the 11th of January, and I have yet to kit up one of my mini kits for the month. I am almost done with Cozy Christmas Cottage from Diamond Art Club, but as one of my goals for 2026 was I wanted to do a mini kit every month. I have 9 here with me, but I lost my phone. Oh no. Hold on a minute. I need to find my phone. Okay, found my phone. It was where I put it. But I have the Tiny Decisions app on my phone, and I have a number generator. So 1 through 9. Let's see which one it's going to pick. Okay, number 5 it is. So I will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a pretty little gem set. Let me get the rest of these out of the way really quick. All right, and the kit that it picked, number 5, is Cozy Cat Set. All right, so I did do a full unboxing of Cozy Cat Set. I don't remember how many colors. 36 colors. It is a square. Your toolkit. That out of the way. Okay, and I forgot how many we actually have. Does come with a sticker sheet, so I will definitely be using that. And I have 12 different kitties. Okay, let me find, 36 colors. Trying to think of what storage container I want to use. I'll be right back. Okay, I have decided to go with my Diamond Art Club storage solution. It might be overkill because, 36 colors, but it's the only one I have available right now. So I'm going to move some stuff aside so I can get these kitted up. That in there, that in there. I don't have a place to sit down. Put everything in my chair and now I can't sit down. So let's see how these are labeled and shoved in the bag. Number 1, I guess, is gonna go with number 1. May have to do these by weight, because like number 15 is a letter of some sort. 742, it's J. So I could probably use all of these smaller containers that are over here. I don't see any. Oh, number 22 might not fit in that container, but it will definitely fit in a bigger container. So maybe I will put that off to the side. It'll totally fit in there. Okay. I think 25, 26. I'm gonna also put in bigger containers. I'm thinking everything else should fit in the smaller one, so I'm going to start with the smaller ones. Find my Lego separator. And I'm going to start kitting up on this. Okay, finally done. That took a hot second, but I also numbered or put them in order as I normally do, which is numbers, letters, and then symbols. So here is one last look at the cats. We have 12 of them.
Meow. It's a lot of pussy.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry.
Don't apologize for your husband. You love me.
I do.
I'm fucking fun.
All right, and there's the last one. I'm going to finish this section of my big kit, and then I might, depending on the time between supper and everything, I might do one of my minis. As always, make it a great night. It is up to you.